Hey everybody, welcome to Teo's Take. Today I'll be unboxing this BrewNimbus rechargeable portable grinder. I have a trip coming up. I'll be taking my AeroPress with me. That's why I purchased this, to use it with my AeroPress. However, as I was reviewing the seller's item description, seller claims that this grinder can also grind for espresso. So what I want to do today is I'm going to go ahead and grind these organic Mexican beans. They're medium roast, medium dark roast actually to be exact. And I'm going to go ahead and grind them and pull a shot on my trusty Breville Bambino, see how it's going to work. All right, let's go ahead and open the box. It's a fairly hefty box, nice presentation so far. There's a little brochure type of user manual. Talks about, in English and Chinese, talks about where the charging base and things like that. How to grind the beans. Cool. And let's start with this little bag. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this up somewhere here. All right. In this bag we have a Type-C paper and some sort of a warranty card, and a small bag. Looks like a dosing cup and a grind cup made out of all aluminum type of or a steel type of material, all black, very cool. And get this guy out. Very nice box, kind of like a velvety. Oh yeah, here's a little cleaning brush, which is cool. And here's the grinder, you guys. Very cool. Here's the power button. Here's the Type-C port. And branding is right here. And there are some LEDs over here showing, I guess, the power level. And here's this top part. Looks like this grinder consists of 3 pieces. Okay, this is the bottom dosing cup, and I think bean hopper, you can say. Oh, okay. This is kind of an interesting concept. The bottom part, dosing cup, from right to left, and then the other part is opposite. To loosen it, you have to go from right to left instead of left to right. So it's instead of righty-tighty, it's actually righty-loosey, and then the lefty-tighty. And here's the stainless steel burrs in there. Very cool. Here's the adjustment. I think they tested this. There's some coffee grinds in it. And adjustment goes all the way from 0 to 60. And super cool. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh wow, like this. It's very tactile. And then the top part, BrewNimbus, where the motor and battery is. Again, the Type-C port. This is a flimsy lid on the Type-C port, but it works pretty cool. Oh wow, look at it. Came fully charged. Here's the power button. So far seems fairly quiet. And this grinder is supposed to stop automatically when the grinding is done. Let's turn on our Breville. I'm gonna put the box away. Let's put this AeroPress over here somewhere. All right, so grind size says espresso is 40 to 50 and mocha is 60, 40 to 60. Wow. Pour over is 90 to 120 and 130. So I have to loosen the burrs up really thick if you want to go French or pour over. It doesn't say anything about the AeroPress, but that's okay. However, I'm not going to go by those instructions. I'm not going 30 to 40. I want to go much less than that. And let's go ahead and put the dosing cup in. And I'm going to set this up all the way down to 1. Because I read somewhere about this and somebody was saying 30 to 40 didn't work for them. And let's go ahead and put our organic Mexican beans, medium dark. This grinding area could hold up to 25 grams of beans. I have 16 here, you guys. All right. Okay, remember, it works opposite ways. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. Oh wow, super quiet, fairly impressive. Again, we're at grind level all the way down to 1.5 actually. I'm very impressed with the noise because, you know, in the hotel or when you're with other people in the room, I think this will be very helpful, very acceptable noise levels. Let's go ahead and get our portafilter ready. This is an IMS competition basket, 16 to 18 grams. Let's put our Normcore dosing funnel. You know, it's an acceptable time as far as grinding time goes. Let's see if it's going to stop automatically, or is that just a gimmick? Sounds like it's finished. Yep, stops automatically. What I want to do is I want to tap a little bit. This device doesn't have any anti-static function, so I want to go ahead and get this open. Here it is. Here are the coffee beans. Looks fairly acceptable. And let's go ahead and pour these over to our portafilter. Huh, pretty cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little WDT. I love this portafilter, you guys. I picked it up off of Amazon. It's one of those flat portafilters, doesn't require any tamping station, nothing. I'm gonna do my gravity distributor thingy. Okay. Let's go ahead and tamp this. And let's check out the puck. Not too bad. Put a puck screen on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do some pre-infusion. Try to pull 30 grams. And let's get our scale. Put my cup underneath. Okay. Let's do some pre-infusion, about 5 seconds. Okay, let go. Oh yeah, it's a fast shot. Oh my God, look at this mess. I mean, it's acceptable for espresso somewhat. Guess if you're using one of those double baskets, pressurized baskets, I guess it'll work, but not for single wall baskets, you guys. I can tell it right off the bat. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Here it is, yeah. But again, I purchased this grinder for my AeroPress for my upcoming trip, so it'll do wonders with that. But not like seller claims, I don't think this will be a great espresso, portable espresso grinder. It may work with the mocha pot. I do not have one of those, so handy right now. I have one, but it's somewhere in the storage. I really don't know where it is exactly. So as you see, nothing to write home about as far as brewing espresso with the single wall basket on a Breville like this. However, this will do great with my AeroPress. I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. This is on Amazon right around $100. Not a big expense at all. It should work just fine for what it is. And I like the design and style and everything. You know, it's solid, built like a tank. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll have the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching again. And have a delicious day. I'll see you on the next one.